Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to hide your Facebook friends list. That is, no one can see your list of friends or subscriptions. How do you do that? Very easy. We do this by logging into Facebook. You can use an application or browser to do this. Then click on the profile icon and open the settings. Now you don't have to look for the right feature, click on search and write here privacy. Click on this icon with a lock. Now go down below and open the item Who can see your friends list. Click here. Here we can choose public or only for friends. But if we click only me, list of our friends will be visible only to me and no one else. So that's an easy and great way to do it. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.